Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to perform penalty kicks. Beginning, to shoot penalty, make sure that the circling indicator is green, the closest to ball as possible. Then use left analog to aim. In this FC you don't have to press shoot button before the shoot again. Of course, the longer you press shoot button, the stronger the shoot will be. Also, you don't have to worry about shooting outside the goal if you shoot too strong in this FC and if you tilt the left analog too far. In this FC there are limitations for this. So as long as you press the shoot button on the green scale, it should be good to go. If you want to perform cheap shot during penalty, press and hold L1 and shoot. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.